Namaste everyone and you all are welcome. Iron is required for baby's proper growth and development of organs and body. Today we will talk about one of the healthy diet option for baby which you can introduce by 10 months age, which is not just good for baby's overall growth and development but it's also fulfill the requirement of iron in babies. Here I am talking about the combination of spinach and rice. So let's begin with recipe and know its health benefits first. Spinach has high water content, so it keeps baby's body hydrated. It also good for liver. It protects liver against infection. Babies have digestive system issues. They have gastric issues as their digestive system is not fully matured now. Giving spinach to baby is a great way to help their gastric issues. Spinach is natural laxative. Babies who are suffering from constipation, it's very helpful for them. It also improves their immunity. It's rich source of vitamin C. It's also rich source of iron, so it prevents the risk of anemia in them, increase the level of hemoglobin. The other ingredient, rice, is great source of energy for babies. Also babies who are suffering from diarrhea, rice is great home remedy for them. Also it contains many varieties of vitamin B which is good for babies' skin, vision, digestive system and their nervous system development. Also, it is good to give babies rice, especially if they have fever, because it gives energy to them. It's very helpful for their recovery. So friends, that was all about the main major benefits of spinach and rice. Let's begin with our today's recipe, spinach rice mash. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more upcoming healthy and informative baby food recipes like this. Keep watching. Before we begin with cooking, let's know the ingredients of spinach rice mash. All you need is 3 teaspoons of white rice. You can take any variety. 1 cup small cut leaves of spinach, cut pieces of 1/4 tomato, 2.5 cup of drinking water, salt less than 1 gram, 1/3 teaspoon of homemade ghee and very little of black pepper powder. To prepare spinach rice mash for baby, soak rice at least for 1 hour. Now to begin with recipe, add ghee to the pan. Once it's become hot, add soaked rice to it. And next is spinach and tomato. Now add 2.5 cup of water. And then salt and black pepper powder. Mix all very well and allow it to cook on medium flame. You can also cook in pressure cooker. Check in between. Once cooked well, turn off the burner. Mash the spinach rice very well. And allow it to cool down for some time. Once cooled down, transfer into the sterile bowl. And here spinach rice mash is ready to eat. Always serve it fresh. So friends, that was all about iron rich, nutrition rich spinach rice mash for babies, which you can introduce by 10 months age. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming healthy and informative baby food recipes like this. Press the bell icon for the latest video update. Thank you for watching and stay fit.